Guys, the Unchained data for Dogecoin is showing volume for Dogecoin like we've never seen before. Cryptos are pumping. Dogecoin is pumping. We're going to be talking about some very bullish news in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $100, $200, or only $50 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth about $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And guys, smash that like button if you love Dogecoin, it really does help out the channel. And if you haven't subscribed with the bell rung yet, that's how you get my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Guys, some huge news, an article just came out titled, US government now offers informants crypto rewards in addition to bank wires and suitcases full of cash. Guys, the government is now accepting and adopting cryptocurrency. Guys, they're paying informants with cryptocurrency. It's a way for the government to secretly pay people off that are working for them. Guys, if the government is now adopting it, everybody else will most certainly follow up along with them. Another article came out titled, Crypto Developer Will Lead Twitter's Decentralized Social Media Initiative. The new lead plans on hiring for the Blue Sky team and partnering close with Twitter and other companies as a part of the next step towards fulfilling the decentralized social media plan. Guys, this article discusses how Jack Dorsey wants to fully integrate cryptocurrencies in Twitter. In other words, they want people to be able to spend money on Twitter only using cryptocurrencies. And or the people that are at the top of Twitter, the ones that tweet out the most and have the most followers, could in fact get paid in cryptocurrencies for the advertisements that run on their Twitter profiles. I conjecture that they will in fact have their own crypto wallets and possibly their own cryptocurrency. Because if they're paying people in crypto, they're getting paid in crypto, they're definitely going to want to be able to support crypto inside of wallets on Twitter. Guys, this is huge, and this is only a reminder that the mass adoption is happening. It's occurring, but we're still in our infancy stages of crypto, and it is still a great time to get in. This will cause millions, possibly billions of dollars to pour into the crypto marketplace, only causing cryptos to go up more in value. Guys, market cap tells us that the Bitcoin rally is expected to pause. Guys, it paused earlier because the president came on TV to speak about some very important topics. This caused the crypto market to pull back just a little bit. We saw some prices going down only a tad bit, but that's when I let you guys know that it was time to buy in. And sure enough, if you bought in, you're now seeing the prices go back up. And guys, in those types of scenarios, when we do see a little bit of a pullback, after that kind of news, guys, we bounce back really hard thereafter, and sure enough, that's what's happened. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, on this massive bull run, it is completely normal and healthy for us to have some corrections, some cool down periods, and whenever I do see that happen on these bull runs, I let you guys know about that. We can't just go straight up. The stock market doesn't even go straight up. We don't go straight down either. We always have that volatility, and that volatility is what allows us to keep making money time after time. Guys, an article just came out titled, When Will Dogecoin Moon? On-chain data and trading volume suggests very soon. Guys, in the article, it talks about how mass adoption is happening at a very high level, how they're studying the on-chain data for Dogecoin currently. Guys, historically, we see June, July, and August being very bullish, but guys, just wait for the next few months. I conjecture we will see 50 cents here very soon for Dogecoin, 3,500 for Ethereum here very soon, and of course 50,000 for Bitcoin just within the next few days to a week. So guys, this bull run could take off with even more power behind it any second now. You want to get in before this happens. You want to get in before this mass adoption, because every single day there's new countries, there's new companies, there's new mom and pop shops that take on crypto, only making it go up in value. Guys, a fee reduction code is coming out for Dogecoin. A lot of stuff is happening behind the scenes, a lot of stuff in the works. Mark Cuban involved, Elon Musk, Vitalik, the founder of Ethereum. Guys, the developers of Dogecoin, a lot of people are working behind the scenes to make Dogecoin more efficient than ever. Literally more efficient than any other crypto in the marketplace. And that will inevitably allow it to become the #1 cryptocurrency, the #1 currency, in fact, of the world. Guys, Dogecoin is not just some pump and dump. It's here to stay. A pump and dump is just some brand new little crypto that comes out for people to pump a bunch of money into and then dump it real quick, goes down to zero, and never recovers. Guys, we've seen Dogecoin recover time and time again. That sort of volatility is what allows us to make money time and time again on cryptos, and especially Dogecoin. Guys, Dogecoin has been around for a very long time now. It came out just after Bitcoin, literally to make fun of Bitcoin. And sure enough, a joke cryptocurrency has become a legitimate form of payment, a legitimate use case, and legitimately will continue to go up in price. Guys, we are still on an uptrend for Ethereum. We're still seeing higher highs and higher lows, despite the pullback that we had seen. With just a couple $100 knocked off the price, it is shooting right back up from there. Bitcoin is showing us the same thing on the charts. Sure enough, we did drop down to 46,000 after we hit 48,000. However, we are going right back up after that and expect to see $50,000 here, like I said, just within the next few days to a week. Guys, Cardano, ADA, it is currently consolidating, forming into a triangle. Guys, at the end of that ascending triangle, which is a very bullish symbol, we are definitely going to see a breakout, and likely it will be to the upside, because it is currently on an uptrend and we are just consolidating. That's all, nothing to worry about there. And guys, on the 12th of September, as you know, as I've discussed previously, there's a huge update coming out for Cardano. It is called the Alonzo hard fork, and I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date on this. You're definitely going to want to buy at these dips that I'm calling out, so that you can buy the rumor and sell the news, which means you can sell just before there's a huge sell-off, right before the news comes out, right before the update comes out. That way you're not in when it goes down the day after the update, which is generally what happens when there's a lot of hype surrounding an event. And guys, I conjecture that Cardano will be $3.50 just by September 12th. And guys, sure enough, on the Dogecoin charts, as we look at them, after we had a 20 to 30% rise, we of course had a pullback, just a bit of a pullback, which allowed me to call out that dip on my Patreon. So if you bought that, guys, you're positioned very well, because as you can see, we're already getting green candlesticks and we're headed straight up from here. Guys, we're going to have a very good coming week for Dogecoin. I know it, and I see it in the charts forming. Guys, I am expecting a very bullish week for cryptos, especially Dogecoin, in this coming week. And guys, as I zoom out to the 30-minute chart, we can see a cup and handle forming. Right here's the cup, and here's the handle. Guys, that is a very bullish symbol, which means we are only continuing our bull run. And guys, understanding the fundamentals of cryptocurrency and the fundamental catalysts we have in the works for Dogecoin, it wouldn't surprise me if we hit $2 or $2.50 for Dogecoin just by the end of this year. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth about $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.